awesome. Let's go fucking hang out with the dudes. Let's be green. I'm thinking a quick gas station run. Good stuff. Alright, I'm gonna plug the battery of the camera in, have a shower. Holy fuck, it's nice out! My truck overheated, so it's cooling off. We're gonna be camping 10 minutes that way.
I'm hungry. Where's those chips?
Why? You're gonna start a fucking fire.
It's dripping. It just blows up in his face. It broke down again, overheating a bunch. So I'm just here toking up, 5 minutes away from camp. So we left my truck like 500 meters away from camp. We're just pulling up to camp now. Oh, it's that way. Where's the tree fort? Oh, it's there. Alright, we found the tree fort. Setting up camp. I left my truck probably 500 meters that way. Go team. Fire better work. There's 4 of us. Sick. Spice them up a bit.
Dude, my bed was good.
Yeah, someone's phone's here, yeah. Here, bro.
Where's my other shoe?
Rise and shine.
Rise and shine indeed. Look at this view.
Jackson, I slept on this axe last night. It was pretty good.
You don't have a back cut? Like a cut on your back?
Nah.
Beauty.
Not yet.
Okay, let's unstuck my truck. Oh my god. The view is unbelievable.
What's going on with these wires? What's your murder?
Nobody knows this version.
Shit.
I hate this part. Finding out if my truck works or not.
Oh, I'm like a diesel anymore.
Yeah, buddy. Obviously very glad my truck's running. Fucking thing was having a time last night. It wouldn't start on me. It was overheating like every 5 minutes. It's because I was hauling a dirt bike into the back roads in the mountains. But I'm just gonna bring her back to a parking lot, to a main road, just in case anything goes wrong, and dirt bike back to camp. Wyatt's gonna follow me and bring all my shit I got in his truck. So things should work out here. See you guys back at camp. Fucking battery died.
Making some Applewood smoked fucking chicken.
Fucking smoked chicken. Get something smokable.
Applewood smoked chicken. Applewood smoked chicken. Applewood smoked chicken. Wood.
This is a good idea, eh?
Applewood smoked chicken.
Applewood smoked.
Fuck!
Wait, keep doing it.
No.
Snap it.
Wow!
Oh, fuck.
Such a klutz, it's so fucking funny.
Oh, shit.
Fuck, I want to pay that Toyota for a 4Runner now. You killed some guy's chicken on his like fucking property. Eat that.
Yeah, you know how to fucking
kill a chicken?
degut a chicken? Degut?
You don't need
Cut it
to.
up? What are you gonna throw a whole
Fucking
chicken?
head off. You just.
It's actually a good idea.
You're a good idea.
Jesus fucking Christ! Holy fuck! I don't think you realize how steep that is.
I know.
You really do not realize how steep it is.
We're out for a little rip.
Taking a piss. I honestly, I didn't really have to know.
Someone's shooting over there. It's kind of close and sketchy, but fuck it. We've been going for like half hour, hey?
Oh yeah.
Just tearing through the fucking mountains. Now we're having chips.
We've gone like 15.
Shit.
Dude, I was averaging like 40 liters.
No.
How's that ride?
Good.
Sick, dude.
We forgot the canoe.
Cool. Oh fuck! I got that on camera. You good though?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Fuck.
Yeah. Now I got wet shoes for the rest of the day.
Lots of people camping up in here. Dude, this is a mint spot. Wow. Next time let's camp here.
That's what I was saying.
Dude, that's my dream rooftop tent. Holy shit. They're probably in there. I'm just looking. I want one of those tents so bad. Oh, they are there. Oh, yo, someone set up their hammock here. That's savage. Where are we going?
We're gonna go look for some people.
Okay. What people? This is unreal. Oh my god, I want to go swimming so bad. Holy shit, boys. Oh shit. Jump it also.
No, I'll just walk across this.
I'm just gonna do that too. Fuck, I want their tent so bad. Alright, shall we?
This is what's watching. You know how much movement there is?
Fuck yeah.
Yeah, I understand you. Because you live in fucking Williams Lake.
Williams Lake is.
What are you gonna do?
You're going swimming.
There's a log in my way.
Fuck the log.
They see better.
I just kind of want the lake too, but.
Yeehaw! Yeehaw?
Yeehaw.
Yeehaw!
What do you think?
I think that thing's a piece of shit.
Yeehaw. What's the best part, Wyatt?
Getting stuck.
I don't know.
Having enough gas for the lake?
Exactly.
We don't know if we have enough gas yet.
Yeah, that's true. We've still got a ways to go. Cool, dudes. Brap, 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 brap. Wait! Fuck yeah, bud. Nicely done. If only we could just live out here. I guess we could.
15 and a 30.
I ain't no furries. What? Jesus!
Stop throwing that back there! Oh, it's yours. It's like the third time you've done that.
I thought you were gonna hurt me.
The sun is hot.
You're hot.
I want your half of peanut butter. I don't need that much peanut butter, Justin. That was a lot of peanut butter. I'm sorry. Like I still.
Well, this will take no time at all. Someone just come hook it up with me real quick.
Fuck, I spoke too soon. Someone's coming. Someone's coming. I thought he had enough room.
Alright, boys, let's skedaddle. My fucking truck keeps burning up. It's overheating again. So just letting it cool off.
Is mom in them there?
Fuck's sakes. Just gonna go fast. Hopefully enough wind gets through the radiator and cool this motherfucker down. If not, we might have to trailer this thing back to Canmore. Hopefully we don't have to do that. This is goddamn bullshit. We towed my truck to the GO station. Now we're gonna transfer all my stuff to that car and that car.
Good.
Ooh, that's perfect. So we're gonna transfer the bike over. All the stuff's already transferred over. I don't know how to thank these guys for putting up with this bullshit. It is what it is, shit happens, I guess. I got this truck for free. Well, riding with JP now. Bike's in the back of his truck, same with all my shit. Home sweet home.
Yeah.
I'll figure my truck out tomorrow. You just cut in front of that guy. That's hilarious. Alright, well, back at the shop now. Just gotta organize, for fuck's sake. I got a bit of a mess here. Whatever.